Hi guys, today we're going to be making a really yummy breakfast, lunch, dinner snack. Honestly, you can eat this any time of day, and it's acai. To be specific, today we're going to make a full-on acai bowl. So what's really cool about acai is that it's a superfood and contains a lot of antioxidants while still tasting really, really good. It's packed with a bunch of natural sugars, and honestly, I would take it over ice cream any day. And it's gotten so popular around where we live and maybe America in general that you can find so many just standalone shops that just sell acai, and they ended up doing really well just because I think everyone gets it at their day on the beach. So you guys should give it a shot, and it's super refreshing and super healthy, and it'll keep you full for a good amount of time. So first, my dad likes to start off with a bunch of oranges, and he just cuts those in half, or I guess peels those in half, and places it straight into his blender. And don't forget a lemon, and make sure to keep the entire rind or peel intact, because that's like what my dad likes to call the secret ingredient, because the zest gives it a nice kick at the end. Very refreshing. And this is the acai that we are going to be using. You can find them in packs usually, and they're frozen so they can last for a really long time, so that's pretty awesome. So you're just going to open the pack and slide the acai on out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, sometimes I snack on it just like this. I don't know if that's okay, to be honest. My parents always get mad at me, but I don't know. I think it's good no matter what you do with it, so I feel like recipes can't go wrong with acai. And then you're just going to place that straight into the blender with a bunch of frozen blueberries and raspberries, and then he's just going to blend that up. If you want a more thick consistency, because this ended up becoming a bit more juice-like, you can add in ice, you can add in another acai block, you can add in milk, you could do so much. So it just really depends on your preference for texture and taste and whatever you're craving that day. So here's a couple toppings that we like to put on. We have some goji berries, shredded coconut, granola, bananas, strawberries, some wild berries, and some raspberries. And speaking of the granola, my mom will be linking the video on how to make that in the upper right hand corner. I love the way my mom makes our granola. It's super yummy, and you can make a lot at a time, so it stays around forever until you have to make it again. So this is how my mom likes to present it. I think if you make the food look prettier, it'll end up tasting better. So I don't know, my dad's really good at that. He's really good at Everyone has always said that he's really good at making the food look really good, even if we're all just eating the same thing. So I don't know, taking a little bit of extra effort to make it look nice might make all the difference. So she's just making it in stripes. And I don't know, what kind of flag is that? And now, my mom and dad, I think, are competing to see who can make the prettiest looking bowl. So they're just going to scoop up some of the blend, and then they will begin choosing their toppings. So my mom usually likes to just do coconut, and well, she'll show you what she likes to do and what my dad likes to do. I usually just like banana, coconut, and granola. And sometimes when I go to places that have like a wider set of things, I love to get bee pollen and acacia nuts, and also either a drizzle of honey or agave nectar. But yeah, so my dad is just doing bananas, strawberries, and some wild berries, and my mom's doing coconut and wild berries and granola. And what's really cool about wild berries is we mentioned this in a previous video, but they're much sweeter than regular frozen blueberries, and they're much cuter to look at, like, come on. So anything miniature version is cuter. So you guys should give wild berries a shot. And this is my cousins and my brother grabbing some that we made for them into the pool. They definitely didn't make a mess. It definitely didn't look like a crime scene when we were trying to clean this up, and this definitely was a great idea. Nothing fell into the water, and we had a great time. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy. this acai bowl, and happy acaiing. Bye!